Huff Granite El Cortez. Let's see what happens. Our last spin. Alright everyone, hit that like. Yeah, it's a brand new version, Mike. Let's get it. Thank you all for the stars. Hitting that like, sharing me out. Let's see what happens. Come on, get that upgrade. We really need it. Upgrade or major. Mention. Oh my goodness. Oh my gosh. Oh, we got it. Yes. Oh my goodness, y'all. I'm so excited. We got the super real. This is gonna be really good. Oh man, can we get all the way to the top? Thank you, Anne, for those 50 stars. Oh man, guys, I'm super excited. We got our last spin. Come on. Come on, something amazing. Upgrade it to the castle up there. Stop, 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 stop. Oh my goodness. Alright, we got the super buzzsaw. Very nice. Oh, we got it.
There's on the last bet.
Yeah, very last spin at $22.50 on 10 cents. Alright, we need hats for days, guys. Hats for days.
Sounds pretty good right there.
Alright, that's a good start. Amazing. 3 chances at a coin. Hope we can get it. I wonder if we can get an upgrade. Nice. Alright, we'll make it fancy. Come on, let's get that super major grand. Coin. Wow, that was amazing.
Oh, right under.
Right under.
Oh, no,
Jackpot.
it's gonna be because you already had a win.
Oh no, we did. We got a jackpot. Alright, let's see what our grand total is. Oh wow. What a beautiful win. This is a cool game. Very nice. We got it. We got that amazing upgrade. Very last spin, y'all. Terrific. Very cool.